got that nigga. Just huh? Yeah, that nigga stop. Go ahead.
And again, it's gonna be over and over and over and over.